Hi, if you're considering buying property in Italy and you're looking for somewhere really Italian, truly unspoiled, and where you'll find good value for your money, then you need look no further than the heart of Italy, the green region of Italy known as Abruzzo and neighbouring regions, a land rich in history and natural beauty. It's a region full of ravishing landscapes and fascinating ancient towns, beautiful beaches and unspoiled mountains, fine wines and superb cuisine. Few other places in the world can offer such a mixture of beauty, culture, history and lifestyle. The TopRE International web portal is the largest showcase of real estate proposed for sale in central Italy, and in particular for the Abruzzo region. Thanks to the great variety of property typology, heterogeneous location on the territory, and number of real estate proposed for sale dedicated exclusively to international clients. On the website www.topreinternational.com, you'll find a selection of the best properties proposed for sale by the numerous agencies adhering to the TopRE network. Thanks to the strict disciplinary and rules of TopRE, they can only advertise properties previously subjected to all technical, fiscal and legal checks aimed to verify the merchantability of the real estate proposed for sale, which, in any case, can only be advertised with regular entrusts of the owners. The great advantage represented by TopRE International is that the customer, while having access to a large portfolio of properties from multiple agencies, will always have a single point of contact and referent, the staff of the TopRE Abruzzo Mare Monti Real Estate Agency, which has years of experience in real estate sales to English-speaking customers. The curators of the service, Mr. Roberto Angelucci and Mr. Giovanni Paravia, UK native and fluent English speaker, will assist the customer in all the phases of the purchase, from the first requests of information to the viewing of the properties, through the stages of the eventual negotiation leading to the preliminary sale agreement, and finally to the notary deed and, where necessary, with dedicated post-sale services. TopRE International, your key to Italian properties.